Good afternoon and welcome to Villa Vanessa. This is a brand new exclusive listing for VillaSolutions. If you want further details, you'll be able to see it on the website, villasolutions.net. We're located probably in one of the most popular areas and urbanizations within the Alcaucin Valley. We're on El Olivar, and it's a fully urban situation where you've got main services, you've got waste, water, electric, street lighting, pathways. Everything has been adopted by the town hall of Alcaucin, and on this particular road it's a no-through road. Okay, so I think it's actually a really important point because you don't get very much traffic. It's only going to be residential vehicles just parking up and moving into their kind of driveways essentially. But what we've got here is a one level 3-bed 2-bath property. We've got off-road parking for 1 or 2 vehicles, little shed at the back there. Roof terrace up on the top. We've got 360 views. It's all fully walled and secured. Okay, so it's a very, very nice kind of manageable plot, all level as well. Essentially, we have got a good sized front garden where you're going to have the sun all day long, and there is also possibilities of installing a pool or a jet pool or a jacuzzi, above ground pool, whatever you fancy. It's all completely possible via licensing from the town hall, and doing the necessary projects with architects and what have you. So we're talking some really nice detail. It's all been fully painted both inside and out. You've got lovely detail in the roof line here, nice archways throughout the property both inside and out, as well as the gated driveway. You've also got this gated walkway in as well. So we'll take a quick look around the outside initially. So we've got here, it's been done very low maintenance. Okay, so essentially we've got a good flat area, some couple of palm trees in. You've got the big awning there off the pergola terrace. Okay, and then there, just to show you kind of neighbour wise, essentially that's the only neighbour across the road, which is obviously got the distance from the road there. And then the other 2 neighbours are lower down. Okay, so you're essentially overlooking them. But you've got mountain views, and like I say, it's got massive potential. You've got your fruit trees in as well along this side, as well as your shed. There you can see really nice kind of pergola there. That's got huge potential, which I'll explain as we go through the lounge. But yeah, the beauty of this really is that you can install whichever size pool you wish. Okay, and that can be done say through the town halls, through proper licenses. It's only going to add value to this particular property. This one has been lived in full time. They never felt the need for a pool. They had an above ground pool when the kids were younger, but here we've got, again, you can see the parking area. Okay, there's some storage built in there, but all in really good condition, say detail. And then up here we have like a roof terrace, which is great, obviously sunbathing terrace. You've basically got 360 views. So you've got views over to Castilla de Salia, you've got views over to Mount Maroma, and then southerly views looking down towards Puente del Manuel. Now Puente del Manuel is literally an 8 to 10 minute walk. We've also got storage in here, which is very rare, and we also have storage underneath these stairs here as well. So great to have kind of built-in secure storage. So let's take a look now from our front door. Okay, so there you can see lovely front garden there. Say it's a blank canvas for anyone who's got any bit of imagination. You're going to get a great, well, exactly what you want basically. That's the beauty of it. Okay, so into what is a big kitchen actually, guys. I've got to say, you've got plenty of storage, electric hob. You've got the Silestone spec work surface. Okay, so that obviously varies in a different light. Dishwasher's fitted, oven. The fridge is not included, but it's going to be replaced. But also you've got kind of like a utility area, as well as dryer, washing machine, Plenty of storage units. That's the hot water in there. Okay, that's a new boiler. And then big store in there. Okay, so you've got this nice brick archway leading through into the lounge diner. Okay, so again, another thing is you've got good quality windows. They are double glazed, UPVC with the retractable fly screens and the shutters as well. Okay, so again, low maintenance kind of windows. They don't need to be replaced. And obviously some properties that are, this one's coming up to like 16, 17 years old, that you are going to have to be replacing windows or upgrading them. Okay, so we've got air conditioning throughout. We also have a nice big freestanding wood burner in that corner there. Here again, this is kind of it's a lounge diner. Now the possibilities of opening this out, so you've got nice patio doors leading out onto that lovely covered terrace. But what you could do, what some people I've seen do recently, is actually open this further to the left. Okay, so then you bring in more light. It actually almost brings in that whole terrace and increases the size and light into your kind of living area. And then you can push out further onto the front with the terrace. There's your wood burner. Again, that's all fully commissioned and in working order. And then you've got your air conditioning, which they're all inverter units. You've got internet here, fiber as well. And like I say, I mean, it's ready to go essentially, this house. So this is the main bedroom. This is a good sized bedroom. So you've got space here to put in wardrobes if you wanted to. Also there on the left hand side, you could put wardrobes in, but yeah, good sized room. You've got the AC above the bed. Nice, again, you're slightly higher than the neighbour next door, so you're kind of looking down upon them. And then you got ensuite with good sized corner shower. Okay, that's got the glass screens. And again, everything in good order. Okay, so 3 bed, 2 bath, that's one. This is the general bathroom. Okay, so you've got a full size bath, loo and sink. Again, it's all kind of pretty neutral. You know, it's not like you have to rip these tiles out or anything. You can live with them. This is bedroom number 2. So this is a good sized room actually. There's lots of shelving and storage in here. But AC again, you've got an eco radiator there below the window. And this has got big double wardrobes in, so plenty of storage space for clothes and bits and pieces. But yeah, here, this is a big room because you see there's a lot of furniture in there at the moment. And then finally, this is the third room, which is the smallest of the 3, but still a double. Okay, so again, we have AC. The windows go out onto the front there. And then at the moment there's just a single bed, but it is indeed either a twin or a double room because we've got, that's the fridge that will replace the one in the kitchen. And we've got a freestanding wardrobe there as well. Okay, so this is being listed. It's exclusive with VillaSolutions, another exclusive property. I can't stress how important it is that you know, our vendors choose to go exclusive with us. The main reason is that we do sell properties and we only sell. We don't do rentals, we don't do management, nothing else extra. So essentially this is going on the market for just €245,000. That's a fixed price. There's going to be no negotiation on this particular price. It will include all the fitted items within the kitchen, appliances and what have you. But it's also, you know, it's a prime kind of urban, very convenient location. So if you were after further details, this is Villa Vanessa on 0034 696 522 171, or you can view further details and photos on villasolutions.net. Thank you.